Hello. Advanced Word Weekly Revision Exercises, Section 8. We're looking at restricted password protection, and we're going to use the articles file again. So question 24, access to the document to be restricted so that only comments can be added, and do not use a password for this. If you need help, then just refer to page 84 in the document. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to access the Developer tab. I have my Developer tab on here, and I can see that the restricting editing feature that I need as part protection is there. So if you haven't got the Developer tab on at home or somewhere else that you're learning, go to the File tab and the Options, and then in the Customize ribbon, make sure that the Developer tab area here is ticked. Okay, so then OK that through, and then you can access this for the rest of the document. Question. So we're going to select the restrict editing, and it's always going to be an editing restriction, so we tick on allow only this type of editing in the document, and then make sure that you drop down from the no changes read only that you pick comments, because that's what the question is asking us to do. It could be track changes, as you can see that's there. Read only has already come up, and filling in forms is another common area that we'll be using when you edit a form, create it, and then protect it to send it out to people to complete. So for this exercise we're going to use comments, and then we're going to start enforcing protection, but we're not going to be using a password because there's no password being given to us. So we click on there, you can see there's no password to enter, so we can just run through there, OK, and then you can see that now the document is protected with regard to adding comments as a restricting editing feature. Okay, so you can save at that point. If you need to stop the protection, you just use this button here, click on there, and then the restriction is no longer applying. Okay, so we'll leave it there, and then we'll be moving on to the section master documents and templates if you decide to come along with me. So thank you.